Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a Balenciaga unboxing. This is the Mini Rodeo Cowboy. So funny story about this one while I do the unboxing. So this year is my husband's 50th birthday, and it's also our 10-year wedding anniversary. So I bought him something really expensive, but I made sure that he knew it was for his 50th and 10-year wedding anniversary. So after I surprised him with it, he was in shock and he was like, okay, you get to pick a bag that you want. So that's how I came about getting this bag. I picked this out because I really love the color and I saw it online. And he agreed we could go to the store, check it out in person, and I just fell in love with the color, the leather, and here it is. Let's see, move all this out of the way. All right, so I am a Balenciaga girl at heart. I've been collecting these bags for practically 20 years now, and I just fell in love with this style. I already have it in the small, and I really wanted it in a mini. This leather is just gorgeous. Look at that. It's made out of Napa lamb skin, and it's vegetable tanned leather, so it's super soft, and these scratches here, they're not like imperfections. Like, this is a brand new bag, we just picked it up from the store, but this is the leather variation. It is super soft, so this is just the natural leather that it is. I can't even tell you how buttery soft this leather is compared to my other Rodeo bag. Let me bring it out so I can show you. This one is different. I don't remember what kind of leather this is, but you can see it's much smoother. There's almost zero, scratches on here. It's very buttery also, but this lambskin is just on a whole nother level. Like, it is gorgeous. If you're looking for that kind of bag, like the Mary-Kate Olsen, the Olsen twins, they have that iconic beat up Birkin and Kelly. Like, this is kind of the look that I want to have with this bag. So I want to have it aged, I want to have it broken in and just like super slouchy. That's the kind of look I want. So I'm going to have a full review of this bag coming up very soon, and I'll go into what fits, because this is the mini size, and it's actually not super mini at all. Like, it can fit a lot, and I will show what fits, and I'll do a comparison with my small size so you can see the difference. All right, thanks for listening, thanks for watching, take care, see you next time.